I am coming live to you from Kiamunyi, Masi, Njeri. And we have 3-bedroom homes for rent here. Why have I said homes? Well, when you look behind me, looking at this structure, you could easily imagine that it is a mansionette, but no, you would be forgiven. These are 2 homes, one on ground floor and the other one on the upper floor. 3 bedrooms, all en suite. So I want to take you inside, you have a look, and then I will tell you the rent later on. Sindio? Yeah, better you see the item, the product, and then how much is that product. Exactly. So my name is EZRA ONDARA. We do real estate content in Nakuru, house hunting in Nakuru. We promote businesses in Nakuru, and we also tell stories about Nakuru. So now let's go inside and do a house tour of these amazing homes for rent. Come. Stepping inside the lounge, first things first, you just see everything is straightforward. I mean, it's clear this is the lounge here, and looking on that end, you have a dining area. There's a door there on the other side, which goes to the kitchen. I love the mahogany doors and those white doors, even bringing in those bulky recliners. No problem at all. Speaking about bulky, the lounge is quite spacious. Okay, so even if you have those bulky furniture, no problem. In fact, you will slot them here, even up to 10-seater, and still the room will have some space left. Now, I love the fact that you have multiple power sockets on these walls. So where my videographer is standing, I see 2, and behind me, I see another 2. On this side, no power sockets, but actually those are enough. And then on this side, you have massive windows, 2 of them. And on the outside is actually a balcony. So still inside the lounge, above me, beautiful gypsum, recessed in lighting, beautiful wall lamps, you know, on 2 sides of the wall here. The floor is beautiful. The paintwork on the walls is beautiful. And then on this end here, the dining area, open dining area. I mean, just one thing you will love immediately is actually the organization, the functionality of the space, you know, the practicality of it. It is just impressive, you know. This is one such home that you enter and everything is straightforward, you know. And I will also emphasize that when I'm in the kitchen, because I've gone to some homes where a customer wonders, where will I place my fridge? You know, they start scratching their head. But here you're going to see everything is straightforward. So we have on the corner there as a pedestal sink for washing your hands, of course, strategically placed near the dining area. Another wall lamp, massive window again on that end, curtain rods done, gypsum steel, recessed in lighting, central lighting. It's just a beautiful space overall. And then going this side, inside the kitchen. It is a closed kitchen. Okay, I love it that way. Closed kitchen, and here I am. One, it is spacious, floor tiles, beautiful, ample worktop space. There is this one here where I am now. Granite top, beautiful. Beneath it, you know, we have ample cabinetry, overhead cabinetry, more on that end, worktop space again. I mean, I'm telling you, everything here is in quantity, you know, quantity as well as quality. Like I said, everything is straightforward. On that end, you place your cooker, and on this side here, you place your fridge. You know, not entering this space and wondering, where will my fridge stand? Okay, the spaces have been dedicated like that. And yeah, you have a double sink here, okay, with this nice tap. Okay, very functional. You can choose between continuous flow. You know, you can change the flow or the shower, okay, as you please. And then in addition, we have on this end a pantry. I'm telling you, a pantry. So bring your items as much as you can. This is just the perfect home for a big family. And there's another shelf here with some power sockets in there, which tells me you can actually do a microwave right there and some other appliances, you know, maybe that one. You can also have them there. So this door takes me outside to what is a balcony, okay? And it is a massive balcony. If my videographer can stand there, I don't know if you are getting me clear. It is such a massive balcony. So on the far end of the balcony there is where we have the laundry room, okay? The overall design of this home is just superb. It was well thought out. So on the balcony here, they went with these grills from top to bottom all the way for enhanced security, okay? And the fact that they are just open like this, actually, somebody can be right here with their kid, maybe kicking a ball, you know, mnacheza tu ball hivi pole pole, yeah, mkijienjoy, or running around, or maybe use this space to train your child how to ride a bike. I'm telling you, there's just so much that can be done in this space here. So at this point, there's something I didn't tell you. I spoke about the gas cooker. So while the gas cooker has got its dedicated space there, and you can do up to a 6-burner gas cooker, while it has the space here, you have got this pipe. You see this pipe here? So this pipe, they did a section for you to place your gas tank on the outside there, which is a good safety measure as well. So there's a space there for you to have what? To install your gas tank. And you can put even the big ones, even the 30 kg gas tanks on the outside there. That is just so impressive. I've already told you that the laundry room is on the far end. So let's go and check out the rest of the space. Maybe we can start by this balcony, on the lounge balcony. So the lounge has a balcony here. I love the mahogany doors again, mahogany security doors, you know, with a multiple pistons on the lock there. Exactly, and now it is raining. The convectional rain of Nakuru. I mean, it was so sunny. In fact, for me, I see Ngata, there is sun there, but here at Masinjeri, it has started to rain. Okay, so we have this lounge balcony here, massive again, and just a beautiful space for you to relax here and get some cool breeze, you know. From that side, you can see the greenery, the trees, you know. This is just that space you come to unwind. Beautiful. You have a power socket here, meaning you can just sit on this space while you are enjoying a cool breeze. You can also relax there, charging your gadgets, using your laptop, etc. So you come like this. This entire corridor takes us to the bedrooms. But let's start here where we have the common toilet. Okay, there it is. And it is toilet only, everything looking neat. The pedestal sink is neat. There's a mirror here. There's a handle here, perhaps for folks with disabled, with some sort of disability. You guys can always hold on this handle while you try to help yourself on the toilet. It is just looking awesome. Tiles have been done throughout, you know, the entire wall from floor to roof, which is beautiful. And the faucets here, they are top quality, awesome stuff. Then like this is our first bedroom. Yes, I'm inside. It is spacious. You know, all the bedrooms here actually, they comfortably accommodate the biggest beds in Kenya, which are the king beds. Okay, so bring on your king beds, or bring on 2 4x6 beds, and you know, they'll be comfortable in here. So in this room, I see 3 electrical sockets, 1 on that wall, 2 here. Wonderful. In every bedroom, there is the alarm switch. Okay, so this switch here, if I ring it, you will hear wee wee, Kolejo. Okay, so that's the alarm socket. There's a bed switch here. No, yeah, it's okay, bed switch. I just turned on and off the lights overhead. And yeah, you have ample wardrobe space in this bedroom as well, with shoe racks on the side. I mean, I love the design. It's looking good. And then, of course, they go from floor to ceiling, which is just wonderful. All the bedrooms are ensuite. This is the first ensuite, okay, of this bedroom, of course. And here it is, and again, it is quite spacious. Okay, when we are talking matters, this home, everything was done in a quantity. So the faucets again, very, top quality faucets. Look at this, and there is water actually, top quality faucets. You're looking at that tap, awesome quality, and the mirrors again. So there's this curtain rod here. You guys will hang some curtain rod up so that the bathroom is away from the toilet seat cooler. So we have a dry toilet here. Okay, even the toilet seat I see, very good quality, so awesome. There's a tissue paper holder pale. Everything is just placed in the correct space. Okay, so coming back like this, still on the corridor here, we have some extra wardrobes here. So these ones, I don't know how you guys will use them. Maybe you can use them for what? Placing books, some stationery, just some other items here, a home library or something of that sort. Well, these ones, they can be used like that, or you'll just decide. But the homeowner made sure that you have that space. Then I'm in this bedroom here. This one is slightly smaller than the one I've come from, but still it takes a king bed. Okay, a 6x6 bed still. Okay, and then the wardrobes again, there it is. You can see shoe rack, same design as where we were. Massive window on that and natural light. One thing I've loved here actually, every room is well lit, okay, by natural light, not artificial, natural light. And you can see the uniformity of the finish on the floor, from the lounge all the way here, except I saw only the kitchen had different tiles, but they're still good. Okay, so this is the ensuite here, and in this one they did a sliding door like that, okay, for the ensuite here. So I can push it back like that, exactly. And again, you can see, everything is just neat. The wall tiles are beautiful. Look at the faucets here. You have telephone showers, you have the normal shower. Typically, you can choose, and they have mixers. There are taps here. They are the mixers, okay? Even the floor tiles, they are awesome. Everything is just, there's a handle here for placing your towel, curtain rod again, for creating that separation of the bath area and the toilet seat. The toilet is clean. I told my videographer we should never show a toilet in our videos unless it is clean. Okay? And if I'm sitting on it like this, just know this thing is clean. It is neat. Neat home. These faucets have not been used, and the fixtures and the fittings. The home is new. Okay? Now let's go to the last bedroom, which is the primary bedroom. And here I am inside the primary bedroom. There I go. It is so huge. The primary bedroom. Let me just close this side so that you get to see. It is so massive. Okay, so massive, and it has 2 windows. I just love that aspect. 2 windows, so plenty of natural light inside this space. This one again, they did gypsum, recessing lighting. We have a beautiful central light there. And we have this mobile wardrobe. So I don't know you guys will utilize this one, but well, it is there. That's why I talked about functionality. So it is there. So definitely, if you have some, I don't know, what will you place in here? The guys, they did their part just to provide that. So you too, you can come and see how you use that. Now, look at the amount of wardrobe space you have here, his and hers. And even if you have a small baby, the central one, okay? Maybe his, hers, baby, mom, maybe we can label them that way. And I love the fact that you also have some shelves there. Just beautiful. Then there's like a space here, seems like a workstation, which can also work as a dressing table, for the ladies here. Just a mirror to be done there. And then you have a nice dressing table. And of course, you have some shelves there. And even here, for her to place her things. And you have some power sockets there, which is important. In this bedroom, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power points, in the master bedroom alone. And of course, there is the alarm switch. It is up there. I see it. I told you in every bedroom, there is an alarm switch. Okay, in every bedroom. And then the ensuite is on this side here, you know, quite far. I just love the way there is some distance from the bed area to the toilet. Okay, here I am. Wow, I love this one even more. You know, they did a vanity here. It's just so beautiful. You know, we have a vanity, and then you have the toilet seat. Great, yani amazing quality. And then, yep, some storage here and a mirror. Wow, wonderful. I'm even looking at myself kule ndani. Hii nyumba iko sambamba. This is awesome. This is truly awesome, Freddy. Hii nyumba ni awesome, bro. Huku. Huku bana ni awesome bana. This is beautiful. You know, wamejitolea kujenga nyumba. Look at the faucets bana. Wamejitolea kujenga nyumba. Yeah? Let me get off that telephone shower. Whoop. Shua. Awesome. I love this. Okay, so up to that point, I think we are done there. We are done with the interior. Kama tumesahau kitu, piga simu 0791-055-678. And yeah, in the master bedroom, bring your king bed, and of course bring a baby cot if you have children. Even 2 of them actually, well later. 2 baby cots. Kama uko nazo ni sawa. Wow. Fred. Nakuru bana, hizi vitu sijui mbona zinakuwa zimejificha bana. But today we have found them. You know, that's why we tell you when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. Sikwangi nasema kwa ubaya. I mean ni hivyo tu. Watu wengine hawajui kama hii kitu ina exist. Mimi tu ndo nimeipata. Wacha bana. Wacha. Hey, so awesome. I mean, the space is just heaven sent. This space here. Everywhere I go, there's just enjoyment. You know, I can go to the balcony here. You know, nitulie tu hivi nipunge upepo. You know, actually we have some raindrops and we have sun at the same time. So it is raining and as well it is somehow sunny. You know, but this kind of rain at least inasaidia kutoa vumbi. You know, sindio? Just awesome. So did I tell you that there is CCTVs? Like there's one watching me there, the CCTV. So when you occupy the home, they will give you the account for the CCTV because now typically you are now the homeowners. You know, as of that time you are leasing, so they'll give you access to the CCTV account. So overall, what a beautiful home we found today in Kiamunyi, Masi Njeri, just 70 meters from the tarmac. In fact, from here, I can listen, I can hear the sound of cars when they hoot kule chini. So the home is on the market for rent, but they are looking for someone who can rent the home long term. So rent will be paid either semi-annually or annually. So how much is rent? They are asking 80,000 Kenya shillings per unit. Remember, we have 2 units here. A unit is a home. So we have 2 homes here. Only ample parking for 2 tenants. Exactly. So 80,000 per unit. Okay. And rent to be paid in 6 months or 1 year. Typically, you're going to sign a lease of 1 year and renewable like that. So mpaka hapo, our number is 0791-055-678. Contact us for home viewing and of course further advancement. Up to that point, subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house hunting videos in Nakuru and beyond the city. We do real estate content, house hunting in Nakuru. We do vlogs around Nakuru, and we also promote businesses in Nakuru. All right, see you in the next one from the balcony of our beautiful home.